Hey everyone, JP with Oracle Lighting here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the new Oracle Vector Grille on the Jeep Wrangler JL. The Vector Grille was one of the most talked about new products at the SEMA show. We know you've all been waiting for the official release, so let's get started. We begin by opening the hood and removing the factory hood seal. This is held in by retainers and is reusable, so take your time because we will reinstall the seal later. Now we can remove the retainers across the top portion of the grille. I'm using a flathead screwdriver here, but if you have access to a panel tool, you can use that as well. With these plastic retainers now removed, the grille is held in with 8 retainers across the bottom. These simply pull out but can be tricky, so take your time. Lastly, we just need to remove the headlights. These are held in with 3 10mm bolts each. Simply remove the bolts, unplug the headlight harnesses, and set the factory lights to the side. You can see here that the grille is held to the radiator panel cover with 8 pop rivets. Normally you would just drill these out, but this type of rivet tends to spin, so we are going to remove these by simply cutting them off. Now we can remove the inner grille support from the outer grille by removing these clips. Remove the metal clips from the factory grille and snap those onto your new Vector grille. Now we will separate the inner grille support from the upper core support panel. You'll need to cut this across the top of the grille. I'm using tin snips, but any snips that can cut smoothly through plastic will work. Now we can attach the core support panel to the new Vector grille using the supplied hardware. Now we're ready to install the Vector grille. Plug in the headlights using the plug-and-play connectors. No additional adapters are needed. Now we will route our main power and ground wires for the DRLs to our power source. We'll be using the passenger fender here, as we'll be using the fuse panel. We ground the black cable to the ground log located here on the passenger inner fender. There is already a ring terminal on the cable for easy installation. Remove the fuse panel cover and drill a small hole towards the back corner. We'll be using this hole to route our power wire into the fuse panel without it getting pinched. With the wire through, connect it to the included fuse adapter using a crimp tool. We'll be connecting to fuse F52 for automatic control of the DRLs. If you wish to have manual control over the DRLs, you can connect the red wire to a fused upfitter switch, S-Pod, or similar. Be sure to test the DRLs, low beams, and high beams before moving forward. With the grille now in place, we'll reinstall the factory retainer clips across the top. These go right back in as they came out. Make sure the lower retainer clips are secure by pushing them firmly. The last step is to reinstall the factory hood seal. Be careful because these clips are delicate. You will notice that this grille is painted to match. Normally the Vector grille will ship flat black, but there is an option to special order the Vector grille painted factory colors if you desire. Contact your Oracle sales rep for more information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out oraclelights.com for more information.